Does it look good?
Yeah.
Okay. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. This is gonna be like, I don't know, but we're going somewhere and my mom told me to pack clothes to get wet and we're going tomorrow, so I was like, I should start vlogging again. So I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna pack in this bag. So we got, let's start off with the swimsuit. So I got this two-piece. Where's my shorts? There it is. So is this. The whole set has like stripes on it. So this is the first piece of the set. By the way, if you see the camera moving, it's my sister. But
Hey y'all.
this is the bottoms, and then this is the top. It has pads under it, like the padded things. I'll probably take them out because they be floating and stuff. So, and one of the straps is not connected yet. But this is the top. It's super cute. I already tried it on and it fits and stuff. So, but that's what I'm gonna be wearing to get wet. But whenever I wake up, I'm gonna put something over the swimsuit because we're gonna drive in the car. I don't want to drive in the car with underwear and a shirt on. So, I'm gonna put this black crop top over it. It's from, I think, Shein or Old Navy. No, it's from H&M actually. But the this is what I'm gonna wear over my swimsuit, and my swimsuit I think is from Shein actually, or am I tripping? I'll edit it in or something. But I got the top from H&M, and then the bottoms are from H&M as well, and these are the shorts I'm wearing over the bottom of my swimsuit. So that's gonna be tomorrow's whole outfit. And then after we do whatever we're doing that's wet, I'm gonna put this on. I might put this back on, but if I don't feel like it, I'll just wear these athletic type shorts. I'm not sure where these came from, but these are just like shorts I've had forever. So I would wear this and this tank top that I just got. I don't know where my mom got this from for me, but it's this tank top. And then the rest of my stuff is just undergarments, and I'm probably gonna pack sunscreen and like everything else. Super excited, y'all. I don't even know where I'm going.
Where do you think you're going?
We think that we're going to the beach, y'all. Our mom, we all just went to Walmart, and our mom bought a beach ball. She bought a bunch of towels. She told us that we need our swimsuits and towels and all this other stuff. So we already think that we know where we're going. So y'all just got to stay tuned. I will take y'all along with me on this entire thing. We have to wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. And yeah. So I'll catch y'all in the morning. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all. So it's the next morning. And I just woke up. I only had an hour to get ready so far. Well, so far I've only had 30 minutes, so I'm already ready and dressed. I'm going to show y'all my outfit real quick. My bathing suit under here. This is my black crop top and my shorts. And then I'm just going to put my water shoes on.
Ava, it's cold. You ready? Ava. Huh? It's the camera. You want to say hi?
Yeah, hi.
Oh, yeah, let me do that. volleyball or whatever you want to call it with the ball. Ava, say hi. Get it. How is that my fault? So our mom surprised us with something else. We're going to the water park. You ready? Y'all, we up here by ourselves. There's a lifeguard, but he's not doing his job. So, and we got this floaty. We got to go down here. Yeah, I know. Okay, you're in the front. Mine looks right there. Scoot up some. I'm not scooting it all the way up. Woo. It's cold. Wait. Make sure your feet. Make sure you're holding on. Wait. What are you doing? Naima said we could. I can tell. Okay. Wait. It's only 3 feet. I don't even know where mom and dad are. You good? Yeah. Where? Oh! No, I was recording my phone was going everywhere. We're gonna get in another one. Y'all, the last one I fell in the water and couldn't get back up. So this one is the same amount of water on the bottom, so it shouldn't be bad. Oh, Naima, we need to switch. You remember you're in the front. But we're gonna get in this one. Y'all see that big old boat? Okay. We're doing the second round now. Bro, mine's around my neck. And it has the plastic wrap around it. So nothing will happen. Wait, and we're going in the tunnel. Does this one go on 3 feet too? Yeah, they're all lead to the same one. And if they don't, just hold on real tight. Cause that's the one we're going through. Wait, let me make sure my feet in right and everything so I don't fall again. Wait, Naima, chill out, bro. Hold on tight, please, Naima. Put your leg around me. Naima, you sound real scary right now. Oh, God. I'm not trying to. You ready? Yeah. Whoa! Hey! Whoa! Hold on tight, Naima. We're not falling again. Whoa! We finna hit the water. Okay, hold on. The lazy river now after we just did that one slide. And we're trying to catch up to our baby sister and our dad because they've been doing this lazy river. I can go get this one. Just get one that has 2. Okay. We finna get some ice cream. Hey, but I think that's yours. Yeah, I see Oreos and sprinkles.
That's Ava's. inside.